So we're at the Parade of Homes. Unfortunately, weather is not cooperating, but we're gonna get you a view of $1 million home right here. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate. So we are here at the Parade of Homes in Central Ohio, and guess what? You guys have been asking about my realtor Rich, and bingo, he's here. So thanks to Rich. Rich actually set up a showing, sort of a behind the scenes with, tell us about the builder and this particular model that we're going to walk through today.
Sure. This house is a $1.225 million house. This Parade of Homes has homes anywhere from $1 million all the way up to about $2.5 million. And I thought it would be fun to take the channel through and show them at least this home and show you kind of behind the scenes. We're in before the parade opens so that we can have a clear view of the house.
We mentioned Parade of Homes, and a lot of you guys are like, what is the Parade of Homes? So Rich probably can explain it better than I can.
Sure. For years, the Building Industries Association has gotten builders together, and they'll come into a community and build kind of a showcase of what the builders can do with homes. Mm-hmm. So this particular parade is really high-end for this area. Keep in mind, when I'm talking $1 million here, $1 million here, our average home is about $250,000 for a 2,000 square foot house.
Right.
So $1 million home here is on the high end of what's around here. Now, of course, we got crazy homes, but this is on the high end of the semi-normal.
What's the range this year of the prices for the Parade of Homes?
They go anywhere from $1 million all the way. If you were to reproduce one of the homes up here, it would be $2.5 million.
All right, so $1 million to $2 million. We're going to walk through some $1 million homes right quick.
And actually, the builder just walked in.
How you doing?
Greetings.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Excellent, beautiful home.
Thank you.
This is Ankur Gupta. He's the president of the construction company that has the Arthur Rutenberg franchise here. So he's the one that built this home. Well, him and his partner.
Congratulations, man. Beautiful home. Beautiful home. Oh yeah, for sure.
So we're going to sit down and interview him. Ankur, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Absolutely. So I'm one of the co-owners of the Arthur Rutenberg franchise here in Columbus, and excited to participate in the BIA Parade of Homes this year. We have this home here. It's a 5,000 square foot home. We also have a model open in Jerome Village as well, so people can visit that. So me and my business partner, we purchased the franchise here in Columbus in March of 2017. We've been very busy and active getting our name out there. Just very excited to be able to showcase what we can do for our customers.
Great. So Will, we just took a tour of the home. Beautiful home. So
Spectacular.
This home is about 1.225 million as it's built. So one of the things I know about Arthur Rutenberg is so many included features. So we took a tour of the home already. How many upgraded features are in this home? None. So there's the tour that we shot, that Will and I shot, there's no upgraded features in this house. Cool.
Yeah, so I'm always curious about the story. So how did you get into home building and kind of what's the story, the backstory behind it?
Sure. So actually my business partner, he's the one who has the most construction background. He's been building in Columbus for over 20 years. And I've known him ever since I moved to Columbus in 2001. We've been good friends ever since. And I actually worked in IT for a long time and did a lot of real estate investing on the side. And then my investing portfolio just grew to the point where I was able to leave my job. And so I left my
Was it in
job.
Central Ohio?
Central Ohio.
Yeah. I have an IT background,
Okay.
also did the same thing.
Alright. So I left my job in February of 2016, and Arthur Ruttenberg, they were looking to move into the market here in Central Ohio, and they actually approached a handful of builders here in Columbus, and they spoke to my business partner AJ as well, and he was interested. They were interested in seeing what he could do, and they loved his quality and his attention to detail and his custom designs. And so the partnership there between him and Arthur Ruttenberg was perfect. He needed someone to help him as well, so he decided to ask me to join him as a partner. It was kind of the right time, right place, because I had just quit my job a few months earlier, and he was of the impression that if you're willing to take that risk of leaving an IT job and focus on real estate, he wanted someone like that on board as well.
Congratulations. Thank you. That's a cool story. I would like to gauge what's your temperature on, or your thought process around, you're making this investment, it's a large investment. What's your feel for how easy or difficult it's going to be to sell all the 9 of those lots?
So our projection is not that we're going to sell out in the first year. We're really taking a long view at it, and we understand the market is. We're probably going to sell a couple of lots in that subdivision here. We'd really like to be done with it within 4 years. I think the market here in Columbus is very strong in that price point, and with the product that we have and the lot sizes that are there, I think it will sell really well.
Are you announcing the price point or price range for the home?
We haven't set that yet.
Okay.
So we're going to wrap up and we're going to relocate because the Parade of Homes just opened and I'm seeing people coming in. But we'll continue our discussion with Ankur. For you, really short. I just saw people coming in. I was like, okay, I'm just going to know what we're doing.
That was awesome.
Yeah, congratulations.
What kind of investing do you do?
So, same story. All right, so I got question of the day. If you're an investor and you have, let's say you got a good amount of credit, a good amount of money saved up where you could invest on $1 million level, what would be your recommendation for an investor at this level in this ballpark of a multi-million dollar home or $1 million home as an investor play in this particular type of scenario?
There actually is an investor play, but we'll let you give your comments and we'll come back with some answers.
The suspense. All right, so in our next video with Rich, we're going to talk about an investor play on how, if you want to play at this level in the $1 million home level, how you can get in as an investor. All right.
I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.